Hello, I'm attorney Robert Broadie of Carolina Legal Solutions, and I want to thank you for joining us again for another episode of Testimonial Tuesdays. Today's question comes from a young lady by the name of Christine, and her question is this. My husband was arrested for assault on a female, and I am the victim. And his conditions of release says that he can have no contact with me. But we have 4 small children together and obviously need to have contact. Is there any way I can have the conditions changed? I need something done ASAP. Well, Christine, that is a very good question, and it happens a lot where spouses or partners have a conflict in a relationship and law enforcement is called out and there's a charge, whether it's communicating threats, assault on a female, or any other type of charge where a judge will issue a no contact order with the alleged victim. And that happens a lot, and it's obvious that the individuals do need to contact one another, whether it's to take care of the needs of their children or any other businesses that they may have together. So, I do understand your question, and it is very common that an order is in place. With that being said, yes, there is something that can be done, whether it's you or your husband's attorney, and I do advise that he would get an attorney to help him with this problem. What he can do is file a motion to modify the bond conditions. In that motion, he can advise the judge that you two have 4 small children together and that you do need to have contact with one another to tend to the needs of the children. As such, the judge can modify the bond to say something like this. Instead of saying no contact, the judge can issue an order that your husband not threaten, assault, or harass the alleged victim, in this case, which will be you. Such an order will allow you all to maintain communication, whether it's to be able to talk directly on the phone, whether it's to be in the presence of one another to exchange the children, or any other businesses that you have together. In doing so, that would allow you to communicate with each other without the risk of him violating a release order, which is also a judicial order. So you want to be careful that before you do communicate with one another, that you do get this order changed and that bond modified so that he nor you will be in violation of the judge's order. So Christine, I hope that helps. As always, if you have any further questions, you can post your questions on our Facebook page or at carolinalegalsolutions.com, or feel free to call us at 336-885-1LAW. That's 336-885-1529. Thank you for tuning in, and God bless.